So I'm going to show you how to navigate your website and how to change the content through your WordPress. Um, so we'll start out with logging in your WordPress. So this icon will take you to the login. Um, Put your username and password. You can click this box if you want. You don't have to retype your username and password. And you log in. Let me open the website. So we'll start out with how to change the logo. So you do that by going to Appearance, Theme Options. You can change your logo through where it says Logo by choose File, and then you can select your logo and then insert into Post. We're not going to do that now because that's the logo you want, but make sure that you save changes. You don't have to worry about any of this stuff for now. Then you have the menu. Like if you ever want to add a new link to a page, you can do that through Appearance and then Menus. So you have main menu, footer menu, and top menu. You don't have to worry about top menu because you're not adding anything on this section. Everything's already there. It's already too busy, so I don't recommend it. You can go to main menu. So whenever you create a new page, like if you go to Pages, click New. You can call it whatever you want. Like let's say you're doing an About page, even though it's already been created. About, content here. You don't have to do anything here. Then Publish. We're not going to publish it because we already have it. As you can see here, it says About number 2. Leave. Let's go back to Appearance, Menus. So the About page is here. There's Home, there's My Account, etc., etc. And if you want Home or About, like right now you don't have Home, you don't really need it. But if you wanted Home on there, you can just click on Add to Menu. It would always go to the bottom, so you can always rearrange it. You can put it at the very top. Yeah, that's how you do it. If you ever want to delete any of these, you can click on Remove. Make sure that it's checked on Main Menu, and then click on Save Menu. And then for further select. Same thing. And make sure it's selected, it's checked under further menu. What else? The slider section, you can do it through slider posts. So going here, right now we already have one post. So title and a brief description, and then you can do internal URL link or external. So it depends on what you're posting. You can name your button. You can always change it here whenever you want. You can add a future image, but it will be treated as a background image. So there you go. And then if you're creating a new post, it will say publish. But right now, because we're going inside a post, it will say update. You can add a new post. For the newsletter, you will find it under mail port. If you go to settings, we already have, you can change email notification, enter the email addresses that should be receive notifications. So if there was another email that you want this to go to, you can change that here. Right now it's under, yeah. You can always change that. Right now, it's because I created it, so it's using my login name to fill out this box. I don't know. You can put upso. Yeah. And then save settings. You can add an address if you want. Here's the form that I already created. You can create another one if you want. Sign up confirmation. You can change the content however you like. You don't have to worry about that. And that's it. You can see your subscriber list. So this is what you have so far. There are 2 unconfirmed. So here's where you create the newsletter. You don't have to worry about that because I'll be doing that for you. But this is where you keep track of what newsletters you have. Here. So that's this part here. And then for the icons, you can go to pages, and everything is under home. So the banner that we were talking about, you told me to take it down. You're going to come up with a new motto. So you can do that here. You can put your background image, select, and then you can type down your quote, whatever that's going to be. So that's there. Then you have your social media section. You have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. But if you ever want to add anything else, let me know and I can put it in here so that you can always go in and change your or you still have to do it. So you have YouTube and you have to basically you have to type down your link in this box. Then right here is just the class to call the icon. You can either get the class from Found Awesome or any other platform where they offer icons package. And that's it. And then update if you made any changes. For your questions and answers, you go to accordions. I created one for you already. So if you ever need to add another question and answers, you can go in here, go to content. As you can see, they are here. If you want to add, click on the add and just click it here just so that it can open. You can add the question where it says accordions header and then your answer right below it. And then update. What else? For your blog, so this is your event news blog section. You can do that by going to posts and so you know how to create a blog post. So, but one important thing is that you have to make sure it has the right category. Just because when they read on, like for example, when they click on more news, if you click more news, it will take you to blog. You can categorize it, like we can call the category if they want to check out events only or blogs or any new updates regarding your store. Yeah, so they can click on read more when they want to read more. It'll take them to the single post. Here's your content. They can share your content on other social media platforms. So yeah. What else? And then this is just the footer. You can change that or add anything else to the footer by going to appearance and then widgets. But I don't know what else you want to add on your footer. We can talk about that and we can add more stuff on your footer. What else? Okay, let's talk about let's go to shop. So you go to WooCommerce. Okay, so when you receive a new order, it will appear in this section. If you want to change any of the settings, you can do that here. Make sure that you read through it. Make sure everything's correct. Like, you guys are based in Ontario. Just make sure everything is correct. Products, yeah. You can fill out this part. Prices enter with tax. So yeah, just make sure this is correct. This is what you want. You can enter the prices inclusive of tax or without. Calculate based on. So, you can do customer shipping address or customer billing address. I don't know what options work for you, but make sure you check this section. Shipping information. It helps you, like it kind of walks you through questions like how to do the shipping part, the shipping options. So make sure you check this out too. Checkout box. You don't have to do anything here. Only that you said you want to do e-transfer. So you go to direct bank transfer. Make sure you fill out the boxes and then add account, because when they want to buy an item, they want to check out. Proceed to checkout. They have to fill out their, if they have a coupon, or they have to fill out their information, and then they have payment options. This is your direct bank transfer. So you have to fill this out in order for it to appear here. So make sure you do that. Check payments. Make sure that you give them this information. If they're gonna send you a check, give them the name of the store, the address for them to send it, and you do that by going below with the check payments. Check payments, and then just replace all this part here by the store name, address, postal code, and then save changes. What else you have here? Payment, PayPal. If this is not the correct email, make sure that you do change it. Enable. You don't have to do anything else. And that's it for payment. This is already set up for you, so you don't have to do anything. Emails. Again, make sure this is the email you want for new order, cancel order, failed order, API. You don't have to worry about this. Currency. So right now you have Canadian as the main currency, and then you have the US as their alternative currency. If you want to add more, I believe you do have to pay for this part. It's like an add-on. You can do that. info. Oh, maybe it's free. Okay. Oh, there you go. A premium version of the plugin. You can do that here. What else? So that's the checkout. Let's see what happens. Place order. Oh. There you go. It takes you directly to PayPal, and then they can make a payment. Yeah. So you don't have to worry about anything. That PayPal is working. So that's working. Just make sure you do set up your direct bank transfer and check payment information. And that's it. If I log out, this little links will appear. They can register if they're new. There is a register new account and log in, just so that your customer is able to keep track of what they order, any other information that you make available for them on their account. That's it. Go back to shop. So the currency, if you switch, there you go. It automatically does it for you. And that's it. Oh, and then you have the contact page. So, I gotta fix that, but don't worry about that. But you can make the changes through yeah, you go to pages, contact. So right now you have customer service and an email. That's right here, and that's it. You can put other information. It will appear below. And yeah. Anything else that I miss? Oh, and then you know how to add users. Make sure you do give everybody a different role. So that's good. You gave her a role as an author. That's good. And that's it. Settings. Okay, that's all you need. Oh, and also remember going here, Instagram feed, and just log in, and then it will integrate your Instagram, and then I can add it to your homepage. Right between subscribe and event. So make sure you do that. And that's it.